Hi guys. Hey, wanted to do a real quick video. I wasn't planning on getting a model kit when I went to Hobby Lobby today, but because they're so damn expensive, $29.99 for this sweet looking 66 Shelby. Okay, well that was awesome. But I went to an area of the store that I never go to, and now I'm going to start going to it probably the first thing, because the clearance area, they had two of this kit, and it was the only kit they had in the clearance. But what did I pay for it? $7. Oh, come on. $7.49. $7.50 for this car. I mean, that's insane. So yeah, I definitely was not planning on getting it, but when I seen $7.50, hell, that's cheaper than at Ollie's, and that's the main reason I don't get kits at Hobby Lobby anymore, because they're so damn expensive. Even though they did have 40% off today when I was there, but for $7.50, holy crap, this is a sweet looking kit. I've always liked the Shelbys, and yeah, it's gonna be a neat one. But yeah, guys, just if you have a Hobby Lobby, go check it out and go to the clearance area, and you might just be surprised. I went there to see about getting some glow-in-the-dark paint for the glow-in-the-dark General Lee that I'm doing, because the plastic just doesn't glow enough. But yeah, I seen this, and like I said, the clearance aisle area I never really went to, and now I'm going to, because holy crap, $7.50 for a $30 model. Very cool. So check it out if you got one. So take care, guys. Hope you're all doing good, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.